In this class, you will learn the determiners. Well, what is determiners? Determiners are words that are used before a noun and put the noun into context and functions like an adjective. Determiners are a kind of noun modifier. There are 4 types of determiners in English. They are number 1, articles, number 2, demonstratives, number 3, possessives, and number 4, quantifiers. Let's start with articles. An article is a word that modifies or describes the noun. There are 2 types of articles in English, definite and indefinite. The definite article is the. It indicates a particular person or thing. Example, the sun rises in the east. We should help the poor. Next, the indefinite article. A and an are the indefinite articles. They are used before singular, countable noun. They don't refer to any particular person or thing. A is used before consonants and an is used before vowels. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U and H silent. But if the vowel sounds like a consonant, only A is used. Example, a university, a union, a useful, a European, a 1 rupee coin, a unit. Let's see some sentences with indefinite articles. Number 1, the bus arrives an hour late. Number 2, iron is a useful metal. Number 3, he studied in a university. Number 4, we are going on an excursion to Ooty. Next, we get to go with the second one, demonstratives. This, that, these and those are the demonstratives. They describe the position of an object seen from the speaker's viewpoint. This and that are used before singular nouns. These and those are used before plural nouns. This and these refer to objects that are close by. That and those refer to objects that are further away. The closeness can be physical or psychological. Let's see some examples. Number 1, this boy plays chess. This novel is very interesting. Here in these 2 sentences, this refers to the close object. Number 3, that boy plays tennis. Number 4, who lives in that house? In these 2 sentences, that shows or refers to an object or a person very far away. Number 5, these birds sing so sweet. Number 6, who are these girls dancing wonderfully? Number 7, those birds fly very high in the sky. Number 8, those cricket players are from England. That's all with demonstratives. Let's move on with possessives. Possessives are words that indicate who an object belongs to. They are mine, your, his, her, its, are, their. Let's see some sentences with them. This is my pen. My sister plays piano. Here, we show the ownership of the pen as my. Whose pen? My pen. Your team worked hard to win the trophy. His father is a hard-working man. Her mother cooks delicious dishes. This is my cat. Its tail is long and furry. Our school invites everyone for the Science Expo 2020. Their children study well. In all these sentences, we see the possessives show the belongingness or the noun's ownership. We now go with the fourth one, quantifiers. What is a quantifier? It's a word or phrase which is used before a noun to indicate the amount or quantity. Quantifiers can be used with countable and uncountable nouns, but there are some which can be used with both countable and uncountable nouns. Let's read them now. Before countable nouns, many, a few, very few, a number of, several, a large number of, a great number of, a majority of. These words can be used before countable nouns. Let's see some words or quantifiers which are used before uncountable nouns. Much, a little, very little, a bit of, a great deal of, a large amount of, a large quantity of. Now we'll see some quantifiers which are used with both countable and uncountable nouns. They are all, enough, more, most, less, least, no, none, not any, some, any, a lot of, lots of, plenty of. I guess we have learned a very long list of quantifiers, but how to use them in sentences? No worries, we have some sentences. Let's start with many and much. Example, there aren't many hospitals in the village. Here, many goes before plural noun. Number 2, people spend much money and time on recreation. Here, much goes before the singular noun money. Let's start with some and any. In general, some is used in positive sentences and any is used in negative and question sentences. But both are used in countables and uncountables. Example, there is some rice in the vessel. Here, some is used before uncountable noun rice. I read some books during holidays. Now, some has come before the noun books, which is plural and countable. Do you have any interesting novels to read? Any comes before a countable noun novels. Yes, I have some novels. Again, some goes before plural countable noun. Let's now see few and little. Few means not many, which goes before countable plural nouns. Little means not much, goes with singular uncountable noun. Example, Rohan does not want to travel to his workplace, but he has little choice. Here, little choice means no other go. Number 2, there are few bananas left in the basket. Few refers or means not many. A little and a few both mean some. A little goes before singular uncountable noun and a few goes before plural countable noun. Let's see some sentences. This story makes a little sense to me. Here, a little means okay. There are a few shops open today. In this sentence, a few refers to only some, not many. Let's see few more examples. Number 1, there are a lot of big shops in the town. Here, a lot of refers to many shops, which is countable noun. Number 2, Rita couldn't buy much fruits because she had little money. Number 3. Many dogs are roaming in the street, but there aren't any in the garden. Many shows plural countable noun, that is dogs. There aren't any in the garden goes there are not any dogs in the garden. Number 4. Mr. Anbu has plenty of money. Plenty of shows lot of. Number 5. The government has planned to spend a large amount of money on water management. Number 6. A great number of graduates are looking for job opportunities. A great number of means many graduates are looking for job opportunities. Number 7. Travis has many mangoes in his basket, but only a few are ripe. Here it shows many shows or refers to countable plural noun mangoes, but only a few are ripe. A few refers to countable plural again. Sentence 8. A majority of employees have chosen to work from home. A majority of means most of the employees. Number 9. The principal has distributed enough chocolates for all the students of her school on her birthday. Number 10. I have read few interesting books. Few means some. Here we have few exercises to complete with the quantifiers. The first one is tick the correct option. Number 1. There are dash apples in the basket. Many, much. Only dash are green. What is the answer? There are many apples in the basket. Only a few are green. Number 2. There isn't dash traffic on Sundays. There isn't. What is the answer? Many or much? Yes, it's much. Number 3. There isn't dash water in the glass. Some or any. Which is the right answer? Yes, there isn't any water in the glass. Number 4. There aren't dash eggs in the basket, but there are dash near it. There aren't any eggs in the basket, but there are a few near it. Exercise number 2. Fill in the blanks with some, any, much, many. But remember, some options can be used more than once also. Number 1. There is dash coffee left in the pot. Do you want? What do we write here? Yes, you're right, some. Number 2. Do you have dash coins with you? I need some. Do we ask some or any? It is any. Do you have any coins with you? I need some. Number 3. She asked me for dash magazines, but I could not find dash. She asked me for some magazines, but I could not find any. Number 4. I can't carry the luggage dash more. I need dash help. Here we see dash more. The inability of carrying a luggage. So we need to write only any more. I need some help. Number 5. There are dash places to visit, but we don't have dash time to visit them. There are places refers to plural. So many places to visit, but we don't have much time to visit them. I hope this class would be useful for you. Try to practice these determiners in your daily conversation. Thank you.